Hi, I'm Laura Leyland. I'm a senior lecturer here at Birmingham City University and I teach on all of our engineering courses.
I'm Claudia and I'm a first year student on biomedical engineering. So today we were given the task to transport tomatoes from one point to another.
So in Nepal, the most fertile ground is at the top of the mountain. That's where there's enough humidity for the tomatoes to grow. The market is at the bottom of the mountain and over a river. So all of our students have to find solutions for getting as many tomatoes as possible from the farm down to the market. We're really fortunate today. We've got 3 guests who come in from LMJV to support the work that we're doing.
My name is Mark Hipwell. I work at Laing O'Rourke Murphy joint venture.
My name is Laura Hurley. I'm a quality engineer for Laing O'Rourke Murphy's. We are currently working on the enabling works north for HS2.
We do events like this with Birmingham City University so that we can teach the students some transferable skills. It's really important that we come into the university to kind of talk about team working, what it's like to work on a project.
The project the students are working on today gets them thinking like engineers. So as they work through their course, we need them to think like engineers and we're going to teach them like engineers. So all the way through their courses, our students are going to be working on projects, some very short projects at the beginning through to full semester projects as they progress through their course. Working in teams, thinking like engineers, solving real world problems.
It really allows the students to jump in and see the engineering principles at work.
So one of the things that you don't necessarily always get at uni is how important it is, not just your technical skills, and that's what your degree gives you, which is crucial, but also the ability to work across disciplines.
Sometimes it's not all about the math, it's about the practicalities of engineering. And I think it's also a good way to get them to think about other countries and how people have engineering issues. It's not just building bridges and civil engineering.
Our students will be working on projects throughout all of their courses. So from the very first day of the first course, well, they've done some in induction week already, they'll be starting work on their first projects, and they'll do projects all the way through year 1, year 2, year 3. So by the time they finish, they have a whole portfolio of real world examples of projects that they've worked on teams that they've worked in, contributed to and led as they progress through their courses.
It's really important to be able to understand that you're never going to work on your own from start to finish on a project. You're always going to either work with people in your own discipline or almost certainly across disciplines.